What are you talking
Turn me. It makes me look like a damn freaking you know, look like one of those freaks from on TV that have scars all over their faces. Give me the freaking wick. This is a burn-in. How the hell would I get that?
Mom, I don't think that that's even necessary.
I think it would be nice to have light in the other room if I had a pair of tweezers.
I think it would be nice if you didn't blow up the house.
Bitch.
Mom.
Aw, son of a bitch, you. Son of a bitch. Bullshit. Did the Amish ever do? Ah, son of a bitch. Did Lindsay put the flashlight over here? Okay.
I think if Dad was here, he wouldn't be very happy.
When is he happy? Huh?
Look at you. You're like a savage.
Who, me? It's survival time. Will you quit it, you